go see the fireworks. It's the 4th of July, and I can't wait to go and see the fireworks.
Gosh, Mickey, that sounds fun.
Yeah, Mickey. Hot dog, I cannot wait to go see the fireworks. Come on, let's go. Well, hot dog, it's that time we go see the fireworks. Oh boy.
Yeah, Mickey. Gosh, I can't wait to see the show.
Me too. Okay, guys. Now, can't wait to see the fireworks. The fireworks can start in 3, 2, 1. Start the fireworks. Okay, that was a nice show. Oh boy, can't wait to get home and watch the fireworks show on TV. That's a good idea. Yeah, Mickey.
Yeah, Mickey.
Oh boy, I can't wait. Ha ha. Hot dog. I can't believe we're watching the fireworks show. This is hot dog amazing. Well, Goofy and Donald, this is the best day ever.
Gosh, you're right, Mickey.
Yeah.